Welcome to the in front of me Vivo V23, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device with Ampere application. So first we should get Ampere application from the Google Play Store. So here in the search bar enter the Ampere, and after that we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading, and then open here to open the app. Click yes, I agree, click close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and here we can see the information with the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 29 and 3 degrees, and also here we got another information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, and more other info like the device model, Android version, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.